Hi, Dan Clark in beautiful Bay Indies today. Got a gorgeous home here for you. A 956 Lucaya. This is a 2006 Palm Harbor gorgeous home, Grand Cyprus model. This was actually a model here for the park back when I sold for the park back in the 2006. Beautiful home, 3-2 with a garage, screen room on the back, wood floors. Let's show you this gorgeous beauty here. I'm going to start where you walk in through the front door. You got a nice little sitting porch outside here that faces Lucaya. Look at the blinds, folks, on everything that's been done here. You can shut this down, open them up, nice wooden blinds. Beautiful tray ceiling with fans. Gene's going to show you the floors. It's got hardwood floors throughout, drop dead gorgeous. Nice little sitting living room area here. We're going to make our way back through this direction. They've got a little dining room with a beautiful chandelier here as well, set up just off the kitchen. Look at the bar and the open floor plan, folks. The beautiful columns and different things here. Beautiful kitchen. This is a cook's kitchen right here. Definitely a dream kitchen. Got 3 bar stools set up here. Belly up and have yourself a glass of wine or a beer. Got your sink here. Updated appliances throughout. The cabinets are the updated one through Palm Harbor. You got the rope trim, nice cabinets all the way through. You got tile backsplash. Again, appliances all stainless, dishwasher stainless, double sink there. Tile, big tile on the floors. Ceiling lights, spotlights all through, even included above the bar area. Extra built-ins that Palm Harbor give you all over the place. Got a nice little back pantry here as well for you. You get your storage stuff and not storage everywhere in this beautiful kitchen. Absolutely a dream kitchen. Going to come and make our way over this direction. Got another sitting area as well over here. This is their kind of what they've set up as their TV room. Homes comes unfurnished. The folks are buying a house, so they're going to take their furnishings with them. They've got exquisite furnishings. This is what they use for the TV room. So you got a double kind of living room area, if you will. Another nice feature to this big home, got a nice raised screen lanai out here. Just beautiful. It's tucked in behind the garage area. A little bit of privacy. The home next door is a newer Palm Harbor as well. Looking over there with no windows. Just a great area. Come back here and look at this master suite as well. Again, these wood floors carry through all out the house other than the bathrooms where it's tile, folks. We're going to make our way into the master. Again, we've got the higher ceilings being the 2006, the AC's up above. Nice, good sized master bedroom. Gene's going to show you the big step-in closet there as well. Nicely painted. This home's been painted all throughout, floors redone, shingled roof, just a drop-dead gorgeous home. We'll make our way here into the master bath. Again, drop-dead master bathroom. Double sinks, large cabinet, high counter area, tile shower, step in with the glass sliding doors. Got the tube lights as well. Got a nice little dry area sitting over there with extra storage as well. Tile on the floors. This home comes with, it's got 3 or 4 of the tube lights, the sauna lights for the extra light. Gene can show you the windows up above that gives it light and air here as well into the bathroom area above the big mirror. Again, drop dead gorgeous bathroom off the master. If you're looking for one of the nicer homes in Bay Indies, this is it, folks. We've got 2 more bedrooms and the laundry room and the guest bathroom to show you down the way on the other side. The home's 64 feet long. They've even got one of those full fireplaces on there that's got beautiful colors in it as well. Again, large home, 61 feet on one side, 64 on the other, and then you got your garage that's built in there as well. We've got 2 bedrooms, guest bedrooms down here, split with a laundry room, split with a bathroom down on this end. And a little hallway off the living area. Gene will show you the guest bedroom number 1. In there, again, hardwood floors all the way through, higher ceilings, fans throughout. And then in here is the laundry area. Washer and dryer come with it. Then we also, this is enters out into the garage area that we've got some pictures of. We'll show you a video of that. Down the hall here, again, the wood floors continue. We do have a guest bathroom between the 2 guest rooms with a combo tub and shower. Tile on the floors there. We got a 3rd bedroom with a double closet. Could be used as a smaller den. Another, they've got it set up as a second TV room, office, arts, crafts rooms. What would you like it to be? Again, nice big fan there up above. Just a beautiful, gorgeous home. We'll make our way back to the kitchen area. Love the kitchen. Love to have this kitchen in my house. Again, folks, 956 Lucaya, also one of the few streets that you can actually have a motorcycle on in Bay Indies. Drop dead gorgeous home. You've seen the video. There's pictures there. This was a model back in the day for Bay Indies when we first started putting these newer homes back in here, replacing the older mobile homes. Drop dead gorgeous home, 956 Lucaya, Dan Clark, My Florida Dreams. Give me a call, 207-807-7057.